Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Willie with Western Material Handling. Today we're here excited to test drive stock number D21071. Awesome running, hard. This is a C500-Y45. It's a 4,500 pound Pneumatic tire forklift. It's equipped with a 128 inch 2-stage mast, side shift carriage, has like new air pneumatic tires, 42 inch pallet forks, good running LP gas Clark engine, has an automatic transmission with the high and low transfer case. This unit has been serviced, painted with recent repairs, ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or for calling to check out our inventory. We appreciate you for watching. Thanks so much.